Hi there, welcome. We're delighted to share and introduce to you this new LMMS guide. This guide is meant for users who are responsible for supporting the use of LMMS in the field, or as we like to call it, a Level 1 user. This guide will be divided up into a mix of short step-by-step how-to videos, which will then be followed by a set of screenshots and text which you can follow at your own pace. For your convenience, each one of these videos has been subtitled and the default language is English. However, if you actually click on the video at the bottom right on the gear bottom, if you click on there and you go to subtitles, from subtitles if you go to auto translate, you can translate in any of the language which is of your convenience. I will choose Arabic for this case. We will click back on play. And you can see that the video is now subtitled in the language of your choice. We have tried to set it up in such a way that it flows in a logical and chronological way when using LMMS, as it is intended for the actual end users of the system. People at this level need to have a basic to somewhat general understanding of how the LMMS system works from a business standpoint of view. However, they may not necessarily have the competency required to resolve very complex issues during their day-to-day LMMS interaction. The goal of this guide is for you to be able to handle 70 to 80% of the issues by yourself before you need to resort to a Level 2 user for support. Technically speaking, the Level 1 user role would include a field monitor, a distribution officer, or a data clerk. These types of users are responsible for the first line of support and should then be supported with the resources to resolve most, if not all, how-to scenarios. Level 1 users may be categorized, that is based on their proficiency level in using the system, as either a beginner user, intermediate user, or super user. Should you at any point have any questions or suggestions about this guide, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can find our contact details at the bottom of this page, along with a detailed video of how LMMS works. Thanks a lot, and let the fun begin.